Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing an unboxing and first impression of the Ysl Libre perfume that I have here. So let's get right into it. So yeah, it's been a while, but I am back. I've been trying different videos that I wanted to start posting, but I'm gonna get started with reviews, and the first one is this Ysl perfume. So I ordered this online on Sephora, and it just arrived. So I wanted to open it up and show you guys my first impressions of it. I've never smelled it before. I've heard good things about it, so I'm excited to smell it and to see if it's a good enough perfume to keep and to like add to my collection. Okay, so we're gonna do the unboxing together. So this is how it looks like. Okay, it still has the plastic on it because it's completely new. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see how that looks like. Okay, so the plastic is off. I'm just gonna open it up and see. I'm excited to see the bottle itself and just how it smells like. I'm excited. I haven't gotten like a new perfume in a long time. Wow, look at that bottle. That is so pretty. This is how it looks like. Okay, you guys can see that. This is a beautiful bottle. First impression, absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very impressed. Ysl, obviously this is a luxury scent, so I'm sure obviously they have to do their best to make it look gorgeous, but 10 out of 10 for packaging and the bottle. I think this is the prettiest perfume bottle like I've ever seen, to be honest. And I've had some great other ones. I've had the Gucci Bamboo, like other really nice luxurious scents. So this is very impressive. I'm really excited to open up and smell it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see how it smells. So it was pretty easy to take it off, nothing complicated, you just pull it out. Pretty simple. And obviously it's a press, you have to press down for it to come out, so let's see. Good, I'm excited to see how it smells. I always put it by my wrist, it's easier to smell it. And I haven't sprayed anything yet today, so. Or I could already smell it in the room. Wow. Wow. Wow, I'm really shocked. This smells amazing. Like, it's not too strong, but it has like this perfect, like, how do you even describe this? It's like, it just smells amazing. It smells like it kind of has a little bit of a springish smell. Wow, but it's definitely luxurious. Like it doesn't, it's not overpowering, but it's like subtle but enough to be like, oh, that smells good. Wow, I'm impressed with this. It's really good. It's really good. I get the hype. And it's funny because I didn't think it would smell like this. I had a different expectation, but this is better than the expectation that I had of it. So definitely. It's really good. It's really good. That's my first impression of it. I like it. I like how easy it was to use. It was nothing complicated. The bottle is absolutely beautiful. And the scent is just so great. The only thing I would say, or like I'm wishing, like I'm hoping, is that it's something that lasts as long, because the smell is so subtle and rich that I'm wondering if it would last like the whole day. That's the only thing. Floral scent. Definitely more of a floral scent. It's not musky. Like, it's not musky. It's like light and just more of a floral. But yeah, that smells amazing. First impression, 10 out of 10 for sure. Bottle looks great. The box that it came in is also really cute. Yeah, so it's, for me, I give it a 10 out of 10. I'm very impressed with it and I'm happy with it. So my first impressions are good. now I get the hype. I get why people were purchasing it, and I'm happy with it. The only next thing I would do is just try it out for a whole day and then see how it would last and how long it would last, basically. But yeah, thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for joining me for this unboxing and impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.